Welcome to the final part of our walking tour. We've seen the civic heart and the Golden Coast. Now we dive into the history and hidden sanctuaries that define the soul of Durban. Our first stop is the Kwamula Museum. Once the site of the notorious Department of Native Affairs, this building today stands as a powerful monument to the struggle against apartheid. Inside, the galleries tell the story of urban migration and the resilience of the people who shaped modern-day eThekwini. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. From the weight of history, we find peace in the Durban Botanical Gardens, the oldest surviving botanical garden in Africa, established in 1849. Walk through the famous Orchid House, where the air is sweet with the scent of some of the world's rarest tropical blooms. The sunken garden is a masterpiece of landscape design, offering a quiet sanctuary right in the middle of the bustling city. Many of these trees are over a century old, standing as living witnesses to the city's transformation through the ages. Beyond the greenery lies the industrial engine of the city. The Port of Durban is the busiest shipping terminal in all of Africa. Handling over 4,500 vessels a year, it is a constant hive of activity, connecting the African continent to the rest of the world. Watching these giants navigate the harbor mouth is a reminder of Durban's vital role as a gateway for global trade. Nearby, Wilson's Wharf offers a place to relax and enjoy a meal with a front-row view of the busy shipping lanes. Durban is a city defined by its people, a beautiful fusion of Zulu, Indian, and European influences that create a culture like no other. Known as eThekwini, it is a city of resilience, warmth, and a unique Rainbow Nation spirit that welcomes every visitor. In this tour, we've walked through grand halls, stood on sun-drenched shores, and explored the depths of the ocean. Durban continues to grow and evolve, a modern metropolis that never forgets its deep-rooted heritage. Whether it's the spicy scent of the markets or the salt of the Indian Ocean, this city leaves a lasting impression on everyone who walks its streets. Thank you for joining us on this three-part journey through Durban. We hope you've enjoyed discovering the wonders of this South African treasure. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.